eating, and maybe a trip to Walmart on this episode of BoosCruize.
Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Starting the morning out with my keto coffee. As always, it's a must. I need it. Do you drink coffee? There's so many people that are like, I don't do caffeine. Well, get away from me. So, the reason I'm talking about my coffee is because I've added a new addition to it. It came in yesterday. I didn't do an unboxing because I don't think I did a video yesterday. Babe, did we do a video yesterday? No, we ate leftovers and we ran errands, so yeah. So this is a staple in my coffee. You guys already know that. I showed you. This is collagen. It's from Perfect Keto. It's delicious. It literally turns any coffee into a treat, into a coffee shop delectable. I almost said delicatessen. Ooh, delicatessen. All right, so I added this to my regimen. Guys, this is Perfect Keto's keto base. It's in coffee. So basically, this helps boost your ketones, and it helps you with appetite, it helps you with energy, it helps you with all those things. I've never tried this before. I got the coffee flavor because, but there's different ones. There's peach, there's chocolate. So if you wanted to make a shake or something like that, I just am into a one-stop shop. If you guys watch our What I Eat in a Days, you know that a lot of the times we'll have coffee in the morning and then we don't eat again for like 5-6 hours or more than that. Sometimes it's like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and we're like, oh yeah, we should like maybe have a snack. So with that in mind, and me always being on the go, I figured this was a great option. So these are the two things that I'm currently using in my keto coffee. So far so good with this. This apparently has 15 servings in it, and I was like, 15 servings? I expected more. But you don't have to use a full scoop. So thanks to Christy Davis for telling me that, because I was like, you know, I'm like, more is more. I was about to dump a whole thing in there. So you don't need that. And I must say, my coffee tastes delicious. And I'm also excited because it's kind of warm today. It's like 80 something degrees, which I know is not that hot comparatively. I get it. But I am a fall, winter kind of person unless I'm on a cruise. So I say all that to say, they started to come out with the pumpkin spice things for the coffee and things like that. And I am so excited because I love pumpkin because I am basic. Guys,
Hey.
We are out and about. We just pulled into Walmart and a few things on the list. Yesterday we went and I got some more jars for canning because yes. But we need to get some pork rinds. We need to return something, which gosh, I hope the line isn't that long for returning.
Never know. Lines aren't that bad these days.
And
Anymore.
we have a giant search for, what are we searching for, babe?
What are we searching for?
Babe, what are we searching for? That we can't find. What are we searching for?
Maybe
It was our
maybe he's been searching for it. I
It
don't
was
think I have.
our entire reason for shopping yesterday.
What are we looking for? Pillowcases? I don't know. I really don't.
It's a large item. It's impossible to find.
It's large. Impossible to find. Oh, a bike. We were looking for bike. We only officially started looking yesterday, so it wasn't like we've been on this massive search for months.
Because it's impossible to find. Guys, are there bikes where you live?
There's no bikes here.
There's no bikes. Like nowhere. We want bikes. Hopefully we find some. My expectations are low on the
We'll
bike
see.
hunt. We'll see. Maybe though. Maybe we'll get lucky.
What is the issue? Look at this. Look. Completely empty. There's some, like 3 children's bikes here. This is a bust.
It's about online shopping it is.
Oh my goodness gracious. Can you find bikes where you are? let us know. We just hit pork rind heaven, guys. So I've never seen in ours the actual these flavors, but look, babe, look. There's herbs and vinaigrette down there. They have salt and vinegar, the Max brand salt and vinegar. So there's only 2 bags left. We're getting both bags. Oh, there's let me see, 0 carbs in these. What is that one? Fine herbs and vinaigrette.
Oh.
How many 0 carbs?
This is a different brand.
Yeah, it's a different brand. But they also have these pork zesty barbecue zesty chipotle. That looks amazing. And I've heard these salt and pepper ones are good. I think we're gonna get both of these. I don't know what. Oh, you like cracklings, babe, right? What are the
They're
flavors?
crunchy. This is golden cracklings. This is just
He really likes this texture, so we should get one of those. We're gonna get a salt and pepper too. We're completely out of pork rinds,
Well, they have a picture of it with guacamole, so
which
maybe
is
it's
really good. All right, so literally, guys, you know you're on keto when, and we're completely out of pork rinds, which never happens. So stocked up. So we were out of hot dogs and we found these. They're under $3 and it's less than 1 carb. So pretty good there. Got 2 of those. And blasphemy, we are out of string cheese. So string cheese, this is less than 1 carb as well. So that's literally all we're getting.
Back in the car, total success. We got delicious pork rinds. If you say it like that, it's very fancy. Now there is a place down the street from us called the Sugar Free Shack, and we saw them, but we've never been inside. And I saw their Instagram, and it looks incredible. So hopefully they're open. We're gonna show you guys. We're gonna take you inside, and we already have our favorite smart baking company, so we're not gonna get a lot, but I just want to see what they have, and also maybe like taste something, sample something.
Hopefully they're open.
I hope so. All right. Also, everyone has my car. I have a Jeep Renegade, but mine's a limited edition, Batman versus Spider-Man. And everyone has yesterday, we literally went and
walked to the wrong car.
And we were trying to get into the black Jeep, and I was like, this is not my car. Oh, it's like,
all right, guys, we are here at the Sugar Free Shack. It says low carb custom cakes. Walking in. Fancy meeting you here. Oh my goodness, so we're at the Sugar Free Shack. They do sell masks here, which is cool. They're cute, yeah. So this is what it looks like inside. Look at this. So, oh, I see sugar-free candies over there. Do you see, babe?
Okay, yes,
Oh, okay, here we go. Superfoods, dark chocolate, contains soy, iron. Sugar-free substitute. Okay, so they use whey sweetener. The Sugar Free Shack uses 100% natural and no chemical added whey in all of our products. So this is what they're sweetening with. So over here on the display, guys, look, they have Crunch and Munch granola. It's $7.99, which is not that cheap, but hey. But this is the stats, guys. Only 2 net carbs, and this is the ingredients. That is super, super clean. So 2 net carbs. That's pretty awesome. This is the selection of all the things. These are donuts, keto donuts. They have little keto pies. We have chocolate donuts. This is like a strawberry shortcake here. There's some chocolate here. It looks like a lemon bar. Some other cookies. Some red velvet cupcake. Low carb whoopie pies. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. Thanks so much. So, this is perfect. Each item is anywhere from 2 to 4 net carbs. What? This is the keto box. You can get this delivered. They have an amazing Instagram. I actually looked. Yeah, isn't that awesome? So I'm gonna ask which one are the most keto friendly, and we'll let you guys know. So they have low carb, and then they have sugar free. That's pretty awesome, and they still have more things coming out. No, not yet.
Okay.
So what do you recommend? We're on keto, so which is the most keto friendly products that you guys have?
Everything is keto friendly. The items that are not are these cookies in the middle.
Those are. Okay.
Yeah, so with anything with the brown wrapper, it's just sugar free.
It's just sugar free. So anything else is keto. What do you recommend? What's delicious?
Our cheesecakes are really good.
Shut up. Where's the cheesecake?
They're over here. So we have a chocolate mousse pie. So the chocolate mousse pie, an apple pie, and I'll say a cinnamon cheesecake.
Okay. definitely gonna go. So how much is the cinnamon cheesecake?
How much is it? It's
Yeah.
$5.99.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go with the, I guess, the cinnamon cheesecake so we can both try some of that. What do you want, babe?
We get the whoopie.
And-
Whoopie pie, please.
So 1 whoopie pie and 1 cinnamon cheesecake?
We have the strawberry pie and the chocolate.
The top whoopie.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm excited. Guys, they have a stamp that every time you spend $10, you get this. And then these are the low-carb items. So right here, and then these are the sugar-free. And this is how they are making everything. Almond flour, coconut flour, monk fruit whey, and sweetener. Oh, so it's monk fruit and whey sweetener. How lucky are they? And they will ship to you. So yeah, come on. You can see this as we came in, guys. They have, these are cinnamon buns, babe. Cinnamon buns. They have cookies. Oh my gosh, obsessed. Thank you.
Here we go, the taste test. They were so nice in there. Also, we're doing the hand sanitizer.
Well, we did it inside.
We did it inside too, but they were so nice in there, and they gave us a 10% discount. So, thanks, Sugar Free Shack. Shout out from the booze of BoosCruize. This is how it comes in this handy-dandy Sugar Shack container, and this is what it looks like. Babe, we gotta taste each other's. Oh, it smells very cinnamon.
Oh yeah.
Very cinnamon.
And this is mine here. I got the whoopie pie.
It looks so pretty.
You can see it.
So,
Yeah, it's cute.
pricing, just so you guys know, this pie, which I will not eat all this right now. This pie, the mini pie is $9.99, which is, you know, and then that whoopie pie was $6. But cupcakes are roughly $3. But again, with 10% off, we paid $14 for 2 items. This is a sometimes.
Would you say, I mean, for that size, would you say it's worth it for $9?
No, I'll be honest. I can make cheesecake on my own, but if you are not a baker and you don't already have all the ingredients, then it would be worth it. Like if I was like, for, you know, like when you were trying to find special things for my birthday or any kind of a special event,
Yeah.
or you're going to something like a holiday, because they make big pies. And you don't necessarily want to make it, it would be great to just, it's an option. Like, we're right across the street from a mall, and we love to get like little treats to go to the movies with. So if we went to dinner and we wanted to just like have a dessert, this might be worth it. And also super popular. Like, people were waiting outside.
It was a long line.
Long line. So first impressions, let's see. You can go first, babe.
No, I mean, we're gonna do them separately.
Oh, yes. Oh, it's cinnamony inside. I didn't expect it to be. It seems like there's cinnamon baked in there, and there is a crust on the bottom. Let me see, guys. I love cheesecake, so I'll be honest. It's good. Try it. Yeah, it's good. It tastes like a mixture of like a cheesecake and cinnamon roll.
Yeah, that's good.
Ooh.
Yeah,
That's
it's very good.
That's dangerous.
Very cinnamony.
Oh.
But good.
Mmm. The crust. This makes me want to go home and make my own.
Has like a creamy custard. Is that cheesecake? Like, it doesn't
It's
have
cheesecake.
the texture of cheesecake really, but it's more like a custard. But it's very
I
good.
don't like custard though. It's like a cream cheese pie, if that makes sense. It's not as dense as some cheesecake.
It's not dense at all. But it's very good. You can eat
It's
that.
really good. Okay, whoopie pie.
Whoopie pie. Kind of like a cake.
Kind of like a cake. It looks crumbly.
It's crumbly.
Is there going to be flavor though?
It's flavorful. It's good.
I'm surprised you got that because he doesn't like cake.
I don't like cake, but this reminds me of like the Suzy Q's from like, you know, Hostess.
With the most.
So I thought it was gonna be like, I thought it was gonna be softer, but this is like a thicker sponge. I'll try it.
Let me see. No soggy bottoms.
But it's good.
So
I'm not disappointed in it, but it's good.
$6 good?
$6. No. But I'm cheap, so nothing for $6. It's not bad.
It's not bad,
it's just
but
dense.
guys, skip this and just get Smart Baking Company. Smart baking companies are better. Like those little
Yeah.
chocolate cupcakes are better and cheaper. This is okay.
It's
We're
okay.
gonna eat it.
Yeah, it's not bad. Like, I mean, if it was
It's okay.
$4, I may get it again.
Yeah, which makes you think this is probably the same texture of their donuts. It's probably 2 of their donuts put together with some sort of cream. This I would give out of a 5. I would give this like a 3 3/4 stars. Not quite a 4, but I would buy this again. $9 is steep though.
That's deep for $9.
$9 is steep, but I also like just had 2 bites of it and I feel satisfied. This is a great thing to keep in the fridge and be like, I can have a couple of bites of it. This, what would you give this?
I give that like a 4.
Okay, yeah,
I think it was great.
it was great.
This, I would give this a 2, I guess.
What, 2?
2.5.
I would say about a 2.5. That's okay. It's not great.
Yeah.
There's something. It's the texture. It's not now provided. It's. Oh, I'm not wearing my watch today. But it's like 4 or 5, almost like 5 o'clock. It could be that was made this morning and it was much moister or whatever.
Yeah.
But texturally,
Just a little hard.
it's a little hard, especially when I can pull something out of my freezer that is moist and amazing and more chocolatey. It's not that chocolatey. It's okay. Anyway, they have so many other things to try. I know that if you get their keto box, they have savory items too, like bagels and things like that. It's a great option. I want to try their cookies.
I would try the cinnamon roll.
Oh, that cinnamon roll.
That looked good.
Oh my gosh. In fact, I'm gonna make. You know, I can make cinnamon rolls. I'm gonna make a cinnamon roll. We're gonna make a video, or I'll make a video cooking and we're gonna taste. But I can make cinnamon rolls out of fathead dough and that Trim Healthy Mama, and we'll do that too because I forget that you do like cinnamon rolls. But anyway, that was Sugar Free Shack. We are going to go home or something. I don't know what we're doing now, but
Nothing to do, so home.
I know, right? Quarantine.
It's only shopping.
We're going. That's right. Back to Manhattan Beach with our masks. Fines up to $350. Wear a mask. That's right.
Yeah.
We cannot
We
find
can't
parking.
find parking at all, so we're gonna go away from the beach.
Away from the water because it's like packed. Like we can't find parking. You know I love a parking space. Anywhere.
We don't know if they're having an event. I don't know why it's so busy. It's Sunday, but I mean, it's like
It's
extra
the Lord's
crowded.
Day. They were like, we will come out and come forth. Everyone's wearing masks though. Just made it back home. Almost forgot to close out this vlog. Back in t-shirts. P.S. guys, I have like 8 of these shirts in case you're like, he's wearing the same thing. No.
We don't know that we never made it to the beach.
Oh, well, yeah, you never know. So we never even went to the beach. It was so packed. We were like, what? We couldn't find parking, and there's so many people. We don't know. Is there a special event happening? We were just like, why are there this many people? Why are you blocking my blessings? I don't understand. That's Jarrell's head. This is just arrived. This is new HighKey cereal. Because I need to try all the flavors, and we've had people request. But thank you for watching. We'll do a cooking video maybe tomorrow. I think cube steak. Come on, Southern deliciousness. I love you. Make sure you guys subscribe. Follow us at BoosCruize. That's at BoosCruize, because you're worth it. Write us in the mail. We have a P.O. box. It's down below. See you tomorrow, maybe. Bye, guys.